So here, antioxidant is good for our body. How do we measure this? I have an, actually, we have a meter here to check that. But right now, you know, my meter is, this is how you check antioxidant, guys. You know, you put it here, it will says negative. That is, it has a lot of antioxidant. But you know, when it's positive, this one will register positive. You know, that means it is bad for our body. It will oxidize your body. This one you can buy this, you know, anywhere, especially in the one who's selling fish. Did you see anything that, you know, in fish stock that, you know, there is a monitor, like monitoring thing there, right? Because, you know, they monitor, you know, the water is supposed to be negative, you know, but when it changes to positive, you know, the fish will die. The same thing what will happen to us, guys, you know. So antioxidant. Okay, let's move on to pH color chart. I know this is, you know, the total is 14. I know you remember this one, guys. You know, we learned this where? We learned this from school. You see that in the hospital, clinics, right? So, anybody who remember this one? Or a lot of you are absent at the time. You know, when we teach this one, Okay, 7.0 means, let's see. Let's check if you remember this, you know. 7.0 means neutral, right? Neutral means what?
Zero.
Zero. It means it's not alkaline, it's also not acidic, right? 7. Okay, but when it goes down to 7, it means what? It means acidic, you're right, you know. And it represents what? Sickness to our body. Okay, when it goes up to 7.0, that means alkaline. It means what? Health to our body. Okay, I'm gonna test the same, you know, the one that we have here, if it is acidic or not. Like I'm going to use right now pH drop. This is pH drop, guys. Now, do you remember litmus paper?
Yeah.
The one that
you test.
Yeah, you test your
Test the
acidity,
pH.
right? Put it inside your mouth, it changes color, and then the doctors will tell you, okay, you're acidic. Well, it's a lot of vegetables or fruits, right? Because you know most fruits and vegetables are alkaline, right? Okay. So let's start with Dasani. You're right. Dasani made by Dasanas. They call it Dasanas, you know, in Europe actually, like Satanas, something like that. Okay, but Coke, you know. And here is Aquafina by Pepsi, of course, you know. When we have Coke, we have Pepsi. This one represents all soda. Okay? The one with sugar and no sugar, what do you call without sugar?
Diet.
Diet, right? When you take out the tea,
Die.
die, you know, by drinking this one, okay? That is a bad thing, right? It's true, guys, right? Okay. And LeBron and Kobe's, and we are in New York. Carmelos, you know, they like this one, right? They said it's good for our body. What happened to LeBron? LeBron hates this one.
Yeah.
What happened in the first game? He got what? He got cramps, right? He cannot play, and they lost, right? LeBron hates this one, guys. You know, don't put them very close to LeBron. Okay, I have also here Smirnoff. You know, once in a while we, you know, drink, right? Do you drink, sir? No, because you are a pastor, right? Oh, you're not. Okay.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Still my wife.
Okay, so, but guys, you know, it's, you know, this one, you know, once in a while, me, because, you know, I also drink once in a while, you know, but it's okay, you know. And how about you? The guy at the back, you know? Once in a while, every day, right? Okay, so, guys, we are going to use pH drop, okay? 3 drops, it will change color. We are going to match it there. Let's see what happened. Okay. Hello po. Are you a Filipina?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you're not a Filipina. I thought you're Cebuana, you know.
Bisaya.
Bisaya man. Okay, see? I'm right, right? Okay. Okay, so 3 drops, 4 drops, it will change color. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's 4. Okay. There you go. Tap water. I have another tap water, you guys. You know, we are going to test also tap water. Tap water is it's a little bit better than the rest, right? Can you imagine that? Okay. I'm going to get our Belacqua. Of course, the star of the show, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Here. All right. So let's see. Let's find out. You know, the Sunny. Is it acidic or not?
Acidic.
It's acidic, right? So it's bad. Drink this and you will become acidic. How about aquafina?
Wow, acidic.
Same thing, ladies and gentlemen. See the soda?
Acidic.
Oh my God. See the color?
Yeah.
Wow, it's orange, right? Okay, and of course the LeBron and Gomez and Carmelos, you know, they also actually they don't drink this one, you know, they just promote it, you know, but they drink this one. Okay, so it's also acidic, right? And of course, you know the how you know the alcoholic beverages, how the process they made this one also acidic. So, guys, sorry about that. And our tap water is alkaline. Everywhere in the United States, guys, you know, tap water is slightly
Alkaline.
it's supposed to be alkaline. Why tap water is supposed to be alkaline? Anybody who can answer that will get 2 Bellumina. Imagine that. Yes, guys, you know, why the tap water is supposed to be alkaline? Tap water cannot be like this. It can't. Any guess? Okay, because if the tap water is like this one, right? Where do the water, you know, flow? It flows to the pipes, metal pipes, right? If it is this one, what happened to the metal?
It rusty.
It will corrode, and so many problems with the government. So many, you know, the budget, you know, for the government. So they decided to put chemical alkaline. They called it LYE, lye. It's a chemical alkaline, lihia. Chemical alkaline, it's poison. But in the Philippines, we like lihia, right? We put it in the suman. That is a natural lihia. That is a natural lye. But this one is chemical lye. Can you imagine, you know, the pure lye? You hold it, you know, it will burn your fingers, you know. It's true, you know. Also, you know, the one that you use for coloring your hair is a form of lye. It's true. It's poison. When you color your hair, try to, you know, taste it. Let's see what happens if your mouth, you know, it's poison, but if nothing happens, it's not, guys, you know, it's poisonous, you know, this one. Because, you know, the government wants, you know, to protect their pipes, right? But they don't care about our pipes. See? Can you imagine that, okay? But what happened to our Belacqua here, guys, okay? So this is the star of the show. You see what will happen if, my goodness, you know, can you see that? That is awesome, ladies and gentlemen. See, it's between 9 to 9.5, guys. This is the healthy drinks. This is the one that you need to put your body. So your body will not work harder, especially your blood. So it will remain alkaline, your blood, right? Guys, you know you are acidic right now because, you know, every time you go to the bathroom, every time you pee, you see what? Yellowish stuff, right? You see this one, guys, right? So, your body has become acidic. When you started drinking our Belacqua, every time you go to the bathroom and pee, you see purple. You pee, you see purple. You like that or no?
Yeah.
Actually, it's scary, right?
It's joking.
What you want to see is clear, guys. Okay, it's gonna be clear, not not purple or not blue, but it's either clear or yellowish. Okay. So normally I ask the crowd, when or some of the the attendees, they're gonna ask me, when do we need to start alkalizing our body? The first time, or right now when you see this presentation, we need to start alkalizing our body. Okay. Let me show you what will happen if you start alkalizing your body. Let's say here, guys, okay? This is your body, and you drink our Belacqua. See what will happen? Ta-da! See, it will neutralize the acid. So don't be surprised. Let's say you go to the bathroom more often, you pee a lot, you poo. Sometimes, in 2 weeks period, you're going to have diarrhea. It's a good thing, guys, because your body goes into what? Detox state. Your body is cleaning itself by taking this one. Guys, it's really, this one is powerful, guys. And then after like few weeks, you'll see the difference. You have more energy. You look younger. You don't get sick easily because your body is beginning to alkalize. Let's say this is the one that you are drinking regularly. What will happen to your body? Charan, see? this is what will happen again. Okay? It will neutralize the acid. Let's start with the alcohol because that guy, at the back is staring at the alcohol. He said, "Is there any hope?" Because this is what your water, right? If this is your water, this is what will happen to you. Oh, guys, okay. Can you imagine that? Imagine no DUI. When you smell this one, guys, it doesn't smell the alcohol anymore. It's true. But this one, try to smell it, sir. Okay. You don't smell any alcohol, but this one, see, this one is really tough, right? Because it will neutralize the alcohol. That's why no DUI. I said it's proven, guys. I have a similar presentation like this one in Idaho. There are like 10 wives, attended my presentation. They're all drunk when I came there. The host said, "Dude, why don't you start doing presentation?" Oh, they won't listen to me. They're all drunk, Give them alcohol first, and I'm gonna wait for like 10-15 minutes. After 10 minutes, guys, no more drunkenness, They amaze, they really, surprised, they buy a lot, on it, And some of them, they're putting inside their rooms, actually their bedroom, It's true, guys, Okay, so here, especially guys, us, normally when we go out, when there's a party or we go to our friends, we normally bring our wife, right? The reason why we bring our wife is somebody has to what? Drive, right? When we are drunk, okay, you're the designated driver now, right? So I suggest, guys, especially those who are, drinking alcohol, you don't have to bring your wife or your wives anymore, okay?
Just bring the
Bring
machine.
this one, guys, okay? Bring this one. That's why in LA, in California, the bars and the restaurant there, when you drink, they are selling alkaline. It says there, big, okay, $1.50 per glass, Before you go home, if you feel tipsy or a little bit drunk, just take alkaline, like 10-15 minutes, you're safe, You're not in danger, and at the same time, other people are not in danger, right? So it's a good thing. Okay, but this is what we are giving in our kids, right? Our kids really love this one, especially this one, right? We actually buy a lot of this one and give it to our kids. Okay, okay, this is what will happen. All right. Can you imagine nothing is happening here, guys? This one is so acidic. The ratio is 1:32. You drink one of this one, the size of, I don't know what size is this one, You have to drink 32 of the same size of alkaline, our alkaline, just to neutralize the acid. Can you imagine that, guys, okay? But what about this one? Sports drink. That's why LeBron hates this one. Okay? It won't change a bit, ladies and gentlemen. It's so acidic, the same thing, guys, That's why, don't give this to our kids. I don't know here, because in California, in school, California school, we cannot buy this anymore. The kids cannot buy this anymore. They ban this in school. I don't know here, they still have it there. They're starting to eliminate all of this already. So can you imagine, because 9 years old, 10 years old kids, they have the diabetes. And there's so many absentees, and that means loss of income for this school, right? So guys, eliminate this in your diet, especially this one, guys. This soda. Especially Filipinos, we really like this one, right? When we have like a party the following day, what do we do with the meat? We marinate the meat, right?
Yeah.
What do we use? We use this one to marinate or any other soda, right? The meat. What happened to the meat? The following day, it becomes tender and juicy, right? Then you drink this one, okay? What happened to our meat inside? Tender and juicy. The same thing, what will happen, guys? I'm telling you. And then you drink one of these. This one will not flush your body. It will not flush your body, this one, right away. This one will stay inside your body for 7 days. 7 to 10 days. 7 to 10 days inside your body. That's why, those who have, what do you call that, cancer of the blood,
Leukemia.
Yeah, there's so many leukemia right now, because of this one, guys, And another thing, when there's an accident, especially policemen, they have a lot of this one. Often they're drunk, you see a lot of soda. They don't drink it, what do they use with this one, Yeah, you're right, when there's a fatal accident. Did you see any blood on the street? You don't see that, It's only like a white spot, right? Because, when there's an accident, all they have to do is pour this one, to the blood, and what happened to the blood? Disappear right away, guys. Can you imagine you putting this inside your body and giving it to your kids, guys? Eliminate this in your diet. But once in a while, it's hard to, it's hard to take this out completely, right? Especially when you are eating pizza or hamburger, right? When you're eating hamburger and you have the belacqua, it doesn't seem right, right? But guys, as much as possible, you need to take this out in your diet. You want to stay younger, you want to stay your skin healthy, eliminate this in your diet, okay? Alright, so let's move on, okay, ladies and gentlemen. So let's stop this side, okay? Let's go to the other side, okay? Okay, so, what else? Alright, so here, okay, let me show you something again, guys, before I leave this alkalinity, okay? Every time you alkalize your body, let's say your body is already this one, okay? And once in a while, you take this one, okay? This what will happen to your body. It will return to being acidic again, guys, okay? It doesn't mean if you are alkalizing your body, you will remain alkaline, okay? But if you return with this liquid, this what will happen to you. It goes back to being acidic again. So, as much as possible, no more of that, okay? So here, the third properties of the water is, about microcluster. Do you know that water has sizes? We don't know that because, unless you look at the microscope, alright? Because this is the regular water. That's why, what are those regular water? Tap water, this water, That's why every time you drink this one, you feel bloated because your body will not absorb it. It's so big. This one, guys, it will not penetrate your cells. It will penetrate your body. That's why it's really bad, okay? So your body is also remain dehydrated. This is our water, guys, okay? When the water passes here, the water that's inside here, it's already microcluster. Okay, I have a tea here. Let me explain it to you. What is microcluster? Okay, I have a tea here. I have a two tea here. And this tea represents our body. Let's say this is our body or the cells of our body, okay? Every time you want to make a tea or coffee, what do you need to do with the water?
Boil.
You need to boil the water. When you boil the water, what will happen to the water? Becomes hot, right?
Yes.
Because you boil it. No, I mean, what happened to the molecular structure of the water? Did you notice that when you boil like this much, and then later on the water is like this much already?
Yes.
What happened to the other water?
It's bigger.
It evaporates, it goes to the air. Because the water becomes so tiny. When you boil the water, it becomes microcluster, it becomes so small. That's why it goes to the air. Okay, so that's the explanation of that. But right now, we will not boil the water. We are going to use our, dasali or aquafina. Let's say we are going to use our aquafina. We wanna drink this one. Let's see if our body will absorb it. Did you see anything right now?
No. No.
Don't see anything, right? Because the cluster of the water is so big, that's a lot of cluster, it won't penetrate the tea or it won't penetrate our body. Okay, that's why you still dehydrated. Okay, let's say we are going to use our aqua right now here. I'm going to get the water. Okay, and then we are drinking our aqua. Okay, I'll show it to you right now. What happened to this one and the other one? Did you see the difference right now?
Yes.
Can you imagine that is the power of hydration, ladies and gentlemen? That's why every time you drink this water, it won't go here. Drink like 3 glasses of this one, you won't feel it here. Because here, your body will absorb it right away. By the time it reaches your stomach, it's already inside your system. That's why your brain becomes hydrated, you sleep better, It goes to your skin. It's like having another, set of what do you call that? The skin that make it supple and look younger. Anybody? That's it. Okay. That's the skin. No, there's a layer in the skin, because when it's going to be hydrated, it will create a lot of that, because when we grow old, it becomes sag, but this one, it will make it firm again, guys. No more wrinkles, okay? So here, can you imagine that, guys? That is what will happen to your body. Okay, you have more energy. You don't get tired easily. Because, when you drink water, that will absorb by your cells, even if you work 16 hours, 24 hours, you won't get tired because your body is hydrated, okay? But guys, this one, the power of hydration, even if you use this several times, how many times do you use one day? You use it one time only, right? And then that's it, And at the same time, guys, it brings out the flavor of the food. The food tastes different, Okay, I'm gonna put some water again here. Can you imagine, guys? Okay, the same result over and over again. This is what will happen. This is what will happen to your body, and your body will absorb the water right away. Okay, so guys, you want to say anything because my tea is still there in California right now. Inside my bed. I've been using that for 15 times already, Can you imagine this one? The paper it's worn out already. But it makes tea. It still makes tea. Can you imagine? You save a lot of tea bag, guys. And that is awesome, guys. Okay, so same tea bag, same result over and over again, guys. Okay. Let me do it again. I'm gonna give you the sample of this one because the tea, it tastes really tea. Because this tea, you won't taste anything here, Doesn't make anything. Especially sinigang, nilaga, guys, and see the same result. Can you imagine that? You have a tea party?
Just bring one pot.
Like
Just one bag.
Right? Okay, 3 bags. Okay, you share. You have 100 people. Share it. That's good, right? That is awesome. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, how does it work, guys? Okay, how this one work? It's so simple. The first thing that you will find here is this one, guys. Okay, what do you call this one?
This.
Very well. What do you call this one? This is ceramic filter, ceramic dish. This is what you will find it here, guys. Inside, this is the one that filters out all the contaminants of the water. Chlorine, herbicide, pesticide, even the minerals of the water will not pass here, guys. That is a bad thing, right? Because water is supposed to have minerals, but this one will trap minerals. Because what happens is, the calcium and the magnesium in the tap water is so abundant, right? That's so many. You know what happened to our shower head? It clogs. It will happen the same thing inside our body. That's why the company, take that out, And then you see another one there. It will mineralize the water again. The minerals that your body needs only. It will not give so much calcium or magnesium or whatever fluoride or whatever in the water. But that one, it will mineralize. It will alkalize the water. It will put antioxidant. And at the same time, the water, this one, every time the water passes here, the water is energized. Okay, I will explain to you. And you see another one at the bottom, right? That we call that booster because it will maintain the alkalinity of the water. And that is also amazing. And how you gonna replace this or clean this? Clean this every 2 weeks. And then you will replace this like once a year. All 3. It's only $75, guys, and that is cheap, right?
Yes.
And at the same time, the water, every time the water passes through here, goes there, and the water there, the water is energized, How will it energize the water? Because this one was infused, when they made this, with negative ions, Where do we find negative ions, guys? We find it where?
Nature.
Beach, waterfalls, Niagara Falls, it's abundant of negative ions. That's why people who go there, they feel different, they become stronger, they clear their mind, their circulation is good. Also in river, waterfalls, where else? I don't know, because you know some of the malls in California, they have negative ions also. Do you remember the one that they're selling, you know, the one that, you know,
Yes,
Yes, the
and then you become like, they're gonna do muscle test.
Yes, that's right.
That one is $150 to $100,
Yes,
right?
that's right.
It will last only like 1 to 2 months, and after 2 months you check that, it won't work anymore, guys, because it has only a little bit of negative ions. This one has 4,500 negative ions, and at the same time, it has a frequency that corresponds to the frequency of our body. You know, cell phone, you know, what else? You know, electricity, microwave, they have their own frequency, right? And it's bad for our body. But this one, the frequency of this one, you know, it corresponds to your own body. That's why we are stronger. When we drink this water, you have a work, you have 24-hour job, you know, only drink this one, you know. I'm telling you guys, you know, you are very strong. I would like to show it to you that this water makes you really stronger. Right now, I need a volunteer who could drink at least a gallon right now. That's a lot. What's your name, sir?
Levi.
Ivan?
Levi.
Levi. Okay, Mr. Levi, I will give you a gallon right now.
No, not the gallon.
No, not a gallon, only this one.
Okay.
Imagine. Okay, can you stand up? Palakpakan mo natin si Mr. Levi. All we have to do, sir, is you know face me like this one. Okay, and be together. And you raise your hands like this one. I'm gonna test his muscle right now. How you haven't eat yet, right? But sooner we're gonna eat all of us. You know, okay, so don't worry. Okay, can you lift your leg right this? Like this? Yeah. And resist me. I'm gonna pull you down here in the middle because you know so you won't get you know hurt. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Levi is a little bit feminine, okay? Another, let's try again. Sir, Levi, resist me again, okay?
Okay.
But you see the difference, right? I'm gonna give Levi this water, okay? This one is microplastered. Here, it will be absorbed by your body right away. Let's see if this, you know, will respond to Levi, right? Tastes good. The water tastes good, you know. Okay, so Mr. Levi. Same process. Can you lift your leg again and resist me again? In the middle again, okay? Alright.
Whoa.
Come on. Let's see again.
He's
Lift your
now,
leg, resist me again. Alright, I'm happy.
he's now masculine.
Give me more, of course. Can you imagine that, guys? You know, palakpakan natin si Levi, di ba? So right now, you know, your body become really strong and stiff, right? Every single part of your body, especially guys, you know, it will become hard. Which is a good thing for the ladies here. Okay. Ilagay yung this side.
Better than Viagra.
Better sa Viagra.
Yung this, nilagay dito.
Can you imagine, you know, when I said hard, they get excited, all of the ladies here, you know. I would like to test this lady, you know, the one, what's your name? Angie, can you come up? Okay, Angie. Angie, same process. We're going to do. Can you face me again? I know you just ate up there, you know. Okay, so same thing, okay. Resist me. Can you lift your leg up like this one? Let's see how strong Auntie is. Auntie is. Let's use this one, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna give Angie this water. Let's see what happened to Miss Angie.
Wonder Woman.
The next time that we are going to have a product, you know, it's not you're not going to become strong only, you know, but you can fly. And that is awesome, right? We could sell that. Okay. Angie, the same process, you know. Resist me. Can you lift your leg? Okay. Let me see what happens.
Oh, she's strong.
Guys, that is so powerful, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. I need another. How about you? Volunteer, okay?
Yay!
What's your name again? Ano pangalan niyo?
sakto.
Malakas na ako.
Yeah, it's so easy to do, right?
Ganun naman.
Okay. Okay. So, let's see how Miss Presentacion. Can I say only present?
Pressing.
Present. Okay. So, the same process as what we did, okay? When you lift your leg up, okay, so just put it here. Not that one. Yeah, so you have balance. Okay. Put it here. Okay.
Kailan mabalance?
Okay, so now you're ready.
Up.
It seems that she wanna fly, you know. Okay, I'm gonna give Pressy the water. Let's see what happened to Pressy. Pressy the presentation.
Nabugay yung tubig.
Mabuti na lang, hindi ako malapit. Okay, so let's get serious, guys, okay? Because,
Sorry. Baka mabugay yung tubig.
Miss Pressy is serious, you know. Okay. Let's wait a little bit. So make up for my body.
Sa kapangyarihan ng tubig.
Okay. All right, Miss Pressy. Same process. Can you lift your leg again? Okay. See here, right now. This is me.
Asan ka na ngayon?
Now you can carry the one beside you. Okay, now one more.
Doris!
Kaya.
Okay. Okay. So what's your name again? Vicky. We have another Vicky here, okay? Okay, Victoria. I gave them all, you know, water, right? But this time I will not give you water. You like water? Okay. I'll give you water. Okay, so Vicky, I'm gonna give you this. You need to eat some of this. No. Okay, but you know, this is the one that makes your water energized, right? All you have to do is, you know, I'm gonna test your muscle right now. Same process. Okay, you lift your leg and resist me.
Ano ba yun?
Not too much, you know, only a little bit, okay? Press it. Ah, I mean, Vicky.
Ganito na, nag-next.
You know, you need to do it first. Of course, you know. Vicky, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you put this next to your body, like inside it?
Kahit sa may...
Nobody will look, okay? Like inside, it touches your, it's supposed to touch your skin.
Skin.
Nobody look, guys.
It touches
Okay.
your skin.
Alright. Okay, it will not fall.
Ilagay mo sa tina.
Insert.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, so the same process. Let's see what happens, okay? Can you lift your leg? And resist me again, okay?
Wow, kristala.
Sige pa!
Okay, let's take this out.
Baka makalimut